Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo. I just got finished watching a video over on Wendy Whitman's Friends YouTube channel. You should go check that out. Jody, she was making this really cool ring. It was a little cha-cha ring. In the video, she mentioned that you could use the same technique to make bracelet, maybe a necklace. And she says, probably you could even do earrings. And she says, if you have any ideas, let me know. And I thought, I actually have 2 ideas. So that's what this video is all about. So the first idea is this pair of earrings right here. And I thought I did a video on this. I tried to find it, but maybe I was mistaken. Anyway, these are those little sari ribbon bead links that I like to make. I just wired them up with some wire. And then at the loop at the end, I just hung all these little flowers at the bottom. And it kind of gives you that same idea as what Jody was showing in her ring, the little cha-cha dangles. And this was really pretty easy to do. I just wrapped a loop. Well, I didn't wrap a loop. I just did a simple loop and I put it inside the loop of these links. And you could do that with any links. But I'm going to show you how I did this. Isn't this fun? And this looks a lot like the ring that she was wearing. With a little cha-cha ring like that. I haven't had good luck with rings, but maybe I should try that. But let me show you how I did this. So I'm using these faceted gemstones. And I've already got a whole bunch of them wrapped. Or I'm not wrapping them, I'm just looping them. So we've got 10 of them on here. And of course we need an ear wire and a jump ring. And these are really simple to do. You can use the one-step looper. Jody shows how to do that on the video, but I don't really have a whole lot of luck with these. My hands are really small and I have a hard time getting my hands around this contraption. And with these being so small, I think they're 3 millimeter. I was just not getting it to work. It's so much quicker just to do it by hand. And I've shown how to do this a million times on my video, or on my channel, but if you've missed it, this is how I do it. So I just make a 90-degree angle, clip it, save this for later, for another project, and then you just curl a loop with your round nose pliers. And they may kind of be wonky a little bit, but you can kind of straighten them out. You want to make sure they are closed. That one is closed. And these, let me just show you real quick. I just make into an eye pin. Boom, eye pin. For another project. All right, let's finish this up. I'm going to go ahead. I've got three more of these to do. Spin it, clip it, set that aside, roll it, inspect it, make sure everything's closed up, which that is. Let me finish these 2 and I'll be back. So I have everything looped up and all we have to do is just assemble it. I'm going to hold my jump ring. I've already opened it up and I'm just going to put these on. This is how she did her ring. Just put them on at random. And, you know, I wouldn't do a pattern just because it's really not going to show up on this. And like I said, I have 10 of these. And if you wanted to do a bigger jump ring and add more, you could do that. Okay. I'm going to add the ear wire. Close it up. Make sure it's closed all the way. We don't want anything falling off. There we go. Aren't these fun? And they're kind of dainty, but I just think they're fun. Let me try them on. And here they are. Oh, these are fun. You should try them. I think I'm going to wear these today. They could go really well with my shirt. Anyway, that's my ideas for some cha-cha earrings. And maybe I'll try that ring. Maybe I'll have better luck. Anyway, go check that video out. I will have a link down in the description box below for you to just click on that. Thanks for joining me, and y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo signing out for now. Bye-bye.